folks, and welcome back to another lesson. This one brought to you in association with Mr. Dave Navarro, because he taught me this one. He sent me a video, showed me all the parts, and some of the stuff I just wouldn't have uncovered at all. So once again, thank you very much indeed, Dave. And we get to benefit from his, unique perspective and wisdom. We are, of course, learning NHC's Devil You Know. It's an absolutely brilliant track. Love it. Let's dive in and check out the tones. I'm using a wah pedal, the Jam Pedals Wacko. Then I've got some dirt, and I'm using the Empress Heavy. I've also, you can hear, got some reverb on. That again is by Empress. That's their reverb, cunningly called. You're also going to need some phaser. I'm using the MXR 90. I'm pretty sure that's what Dave's using for some of those noodly parts. There's also a digital delay. He'll be using a Boss digital delay, I would have thought. So you got that. Quite a few repeats, but it's a bat for that part. And we start the proceedings off with dirt and wah. So we've got this. You got that thing going on, right? Which is the 5th fret, and then the open E string. At least I believe that's what he's doing there. You basically add your first finger on the 3rd fret on the E for the last few times, and then you slide off. But the main riff is this. So we have some double stops. We've got the 9th fret on the G, 8th fret on the B, and you're going to play 8th notes while you're rocking the wah forward, okay? Then you go to the 10th fret with your 3rd finger. This is on the B string. Your 2nd finger is just going to stay on the 9th fret on the G the whole way, right? 10th fret. Little finger up to the 12th fret. And the last double stop you do for 2 bars, okay? And then again. And the accent is. Okay, so you're not playing straight. You want to ever so slightly accent there. He doesn't play in the first verse, so you've got time to turn off the wah and the distortion and turn on the phaser, because then you're going to play this. Okay, so that's that part. Nice and simple, but it's super effective. So you're basically playing 5, 5, 3 on the top 3 strings, okay? But you can now arpeggiate. 2nd finger goes down 1 fret to the 4th fret, right? And then play again. This time. Okay, but keep the chord shape while you're doing that. Then the next part is this, and I never would have worked this out, so thank you very much, Dave. It goes like this. Now I've tabbed what Dave told me, basically, which is open D, open E with the 5th fret in between, right, on the G and the B. Okay, but I kind of miss it quite a lot of the time. So up to you if you want to leave that in there, or if you just want to play 5, 5, 0, both sound good. And again, you got those accents going on, right? So the first 2 bars. And then you've got 4, 5. And then your 2nd finger hits the. 5th fret on the D for the last bar. So slowly. Phaser comes off, and if you've got time, the delay comes on for... Okay, so that's an F with B and E open. F major with B open. Then up here's the top part of an F minor. So without the delay. So I'm just using my first finger there to bar the 1st fret, and my 3rd finger's playing the root. Then back into that part. That goes around twice. Phaser back on, clean tone, and this time you're going to play variation. Very, very straightforward. And again, phaser off, delay on. Delay off, and then you've got this part. Okay, which is lovely. Such a lovely run, especially with Taylor's vocals. Man, that's good. So you've got 2, 3, 4... That bit again. Let as much of it ring out as you can. Then you've got to move. I'm using my 1st and my 3rd finger there. And again. Then it goes into this little breakdown bit. I'm not even sure if the guitar's playing here just before the solo, but it sounds nice anyway. That is so nice. And then you put your distortion back on and we're into the solo. It goes like this. Okay, that bit goes around twice. So we'll stop there and you've got 20, 19, 17. And then 15, 17. Pre-bend the 17th fret up a full step. Then 12, 15, 12. 12, 14, 12. That goes around twice, okay? Then a second guitar over the top plays. Pretty straightforward. And again. 7, 5, 7. Down to the 2nd fret. Back into... But another guitar part over the top is playing. Might be a slide, not too sure there, but it's just the 13th fret down to the 9th. I would just play the rhythm part there though. And you're going to go back around. Around that a few times. Then the last few chords are amazing as well. You go... You've got this. How good is that, man? You could make a riff out of that and it's just played once. Lovely, proper old school ending, right? So you've got a C. Walk that down to the B. The D is open there as well, right? Then an A minor. Your second finger goes onto the 2nd fret for the F sharp. Keep the 1st and 3rd where they are. That A string should be muted by the angle of your second finger there. G. F with B and E open. And then C. One more time. So there you have it, people. Now, if you're still watching, I'll share a little story with you. I think this might be my absolute fave song that I've ever tabbed, right? Because I had Dave going through it note by note. I had a glass of wine, had my guitar, and just, you know, a little time to myself to run through it with Dave guiding me along. And it was absolutely joyous. I got to say, it was absolutely brilliant. And he was, you know, you could see him reworking it out as he was playing through it, going, oh, hang on a minute, what's that bit? You know, and cracking up because he couldn't remember it. And then he go, oh, yeah, it's this. Yeah. So thanks so much, Dave. It was just an absolutely brilliant thing to do. So there you go. Hopefully some of that joy and inspiration will flood your way. See you again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.